Hey YouTube, so I did not hit my goal that I was hoping to hit. Last month I brought in 6,800 and something, so I needed an extra say 150, 170-ish to hit that $7,000 goal. This month I'm probably gonna be in the 5,000 to 6,000. Last month I had received a few extra bonuses. But Swift also came out with a message on my Quadcom saying that they're going to start paying line haulers, OTR, more per mile. But I don't know what that more per mile is yet. And currently I'm at the 43 cents a mile, 43, 44. Sometimes it varies because Swift has a sliding scale on pay. On small or short loads they pay you a lot more, which is pretty cool. And it's helpful because short loads you don't make as much, so they kind of help balance that out. So yeah, this week, the reason why I don't think this week is going to be too good, and this is like the fourth time I'm making this video. When I went up to Portland, I ended up getting stuck there for a 34-hour reset, which I really didn't need, but you know what? I think I still had like 30 hours on my clock, on my 70. So it is what it is. I mean, that's still 3 days of driving. Then dropped that load, grabbed one that came back over to Salt Lake, and now I'm sitting again for another whole day. So that's 2 days this week that has been basically kind of wasted. Well, actually, you can say 1 day this week that has been wasted. So that's gonna have me short. Oh man, that truck was kind of bright. It has like an all metal side. I got the front window open. Anyway, so oh man, I completely lost track where I was. I don't want to have to restart this video. Anyway, so this week is just going to be a little bit short than what I was hoping. But should still come out pretty good overall this month. Got to start trying to work on my taxes, so I've been a little slow. Sorry for getting some videos up. I do hope you guys are liking some of the scenery shots I've been doing. I left my really good tripod at the house. I know. I need to get that and try to do some tripod videos for you guys, backing or whatever. And I brought my camera, this, okay, it's a GoPro. I did not have it, yeah, alright, so I brought this. It's a GoPro knockoff. It's actually a pretty good camera. Let me pull it out of the case and I'll show you what it looks like real quick. So that's what it's called. But here's the thing. I forgot the frickin' batteries at the house. You know what? If it's one thing, it's something else, right? I did bring the headset, so I got the headset, for me to, mount it up here. And I'm going to try to do some backing up videos and stuff like that for you. But I really want to try to set up a tripod and show you from the outside of the truck, kind of, yeah, it just would be easier. But setting up a tripod and all that, especially with me solo, it's not going to be as easy. But I'm hoping to start training soon, and that would be a lot easier for me to do it, because then I could actually explain what's going on as, my student is trying to back, and as I correct him, I can show you where he was messing up and the correction that could be made to correct that. And I think that might be very, very helpful for you guys, from being able to see from inside and outside of the truck with excellent commentation at the time, or something like that. My laptop is really starting to get there. I really need to get that laptop replaced. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.